I will start with some Lowry seasoning, about a teaspoon. Some garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of pepper. A little bit of Old Bay seasoning. And of course, some onion powder. Turn the turkey over and season the other side. Put maybe 2 cups of water. Add it into it. 4 teaspoons of butter. Throw an apple in there. And a stalk of celery. Spread that, put it in there.
Thank you.